Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2019. We've now officially made it 5 days into the school year. Let me take a look at our homework for this evening. I'm looking at the homework chart. A couple of things here. Number one at the top, there's your 6th grade policies and procedures. These were shown at the open house and also on the OMS website. It's something for you to take a look at. In math, there is no homework unless you do want to get on your great ideas or your big ideas textbook. At home, you can sit there and show your parents how to get on the textbook and become more familiar with that. In science, we do have an assignment called Super Scientist, and this is a worksheet where you've got to sit here and match up the symbols to the different coded combinations to determine what the scientist is. Students did have quite a bit of time today in class to work on that, so hopefully they took advantage of that time. In social studies, we added 2 BIA key terms to study and look at today. That's digital footprint and reputation. We'll be adding terms every day over the next few, and then we'll end up having a key terms BIA quiz. It's dealing with our best internet access and how we want to go about handling the internet and interactions like that. In language arts, there is no homework. In literature, just a couple of things, and this is something that nothing's new. There's 40 sheets of loose leaf notebook paper that should be placed in your literature folder. It should be placed in the center prongs. This needs to be completed and brought to class on Wednesday. Also, the getting to know you questions need to be completed for tomorrow as well. That is something that we've had since last week, so there's really no reason that we can't or should not already have that done. In CNL, there is no homework. And then also, same thing as last night, looking at if you wanted to buy a Chromebook cover, you can find the information on the Warrior Time Google Classroom. You can also order online or ask your Warrior Time teacher for a form. Tonight at 5 o'clock, the 7th grade football team takes on Lexington, followed by the 8th grade at 6:30. Come out and support your Warriors. It's going to be it for this Tuesday. Everyone stay dry out there.